Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel of Aspire True Designs. In this video, I'll be showing you a U-part wig by LUVME. If you're interested in this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Hey guys, and welcome back. So here's the wig that we'll be using from LUVME. It's a 16-inch body wave. Smells good because it's just freshly washed. My glasses are always in the way. But anyway, yeah, so it has three little clips in the front, and then there's one in the back, and then you have your straps on the side to adjust. Yeah, so this is how it looks. 16 inches. Start off with fresh hair. Okay, so I did a middle part with this wig before, but this time I'm gonna take the part a little bit to the side just to do something different. I will link that down below if you want to see the middle part tutorial. So yeah, you just want to make sure that your line is pretty straight. So when you do a U-part wig, you want to make sure you have enough hair to cover the track or the U-part when you do apply the wig. So as you can see, there's my middle, well, my side part, and then I have enough to cover when I do apply the wig. So what I do is just get like a little clamp to move my hair out the way. I'm not gonna do a braid down. I'm gonna leave this probably in my hair for about maybe 3 or 4 days. So I'm not going to braid it down. I'm just gonna slick it back. So that's like a little trick that you could use to slick it down. I'm using some Echo Style gel. Previously I used some leave-in conditioner. So yeah, I'm just using some gel just to slick down my hair as slick down as possible. Like I said, we're just gonna slick it down into a ponytail and then put the wig on. Just something really quick to do into the New Year's. As you can see, I'm not gonna leave out any other hair than what I have at the top. Like I said, this is just something quick. If you prefer to leave out some edges, you know, do whatever you like to do. But in this case, it's just something for like maybe 4 or 5 days, literally into the New Year's. And then I'll probably do like a quick weave. So get you a good brush just to brush down the hair. We want to lay it down as smooth as possible. So this is some extreme gel. So you'll lay that on top. And once you lay that down, then you want to go in with your brush and just smooth out your hair. You want to get it as slick as possible. So this is some olive oil pudding. Yep, you just want to slick it down as smooth as possible. That's the goal. Oh, a little hair was in the way. Again, use your brush to kind of blend in all the product and just smooth down your hair as smooth as possible. Okay, so I'm going to apply another layer. This is Murray's Edge Wax. I'm using this mainly for the edges, just for extra, I guess, slick, or however you want to call it, just to lay it down. But yeah, I'm just going to use that pretty much all around and mainly for my edges. Okay, so next I'm using Mielle leave-in conditioner, mainly for the edges or the tips of my hair so that it won't be so dry when I do slick it back and apply the wig. Okay, so what you'll want to do next is grab you a hair tie, and we're just going to tie down our hair, put it in a low ponytail. The lower the better. The slick down your hair is, the better the wig will apply since we're not doing a braid down. Okay, so I'm using some foam by Cream of Nature. I like to use this as my final product. Usually sometimes I use a scarf to tie it down once I apply the foam, but in this case I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna apply the foam and move on to the next step. But you know, whatever products works best for you just to slick your hair down, that's the goal. So right here, I'm just making sure that my part is straight before I go in and straighten my hair. And also to make sure that I have enough coverage for my leave out when I do apply the wig. Okay, y'all, so next I'm going in with my Shy, or however you pronounce it, CHI, whatever, straightener. So I'm just going to be straightening my hair. So just go ahead and watch this little process that I'm doing. Basically just straightening my hair. I personally like to go over my hair again with the flat iron a little bit close to my part, just to make sure it's as smooth as possible, so that when I do apply the wig, it lays down and kind of blends in good with my hair. So right here, I'm just getting all of my leave out. I'm going to clamp it down to get it out the way. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and get our wig, comb it out before we apply. And also, it's very important, since your hair is gonna be under the wig, to just moisturize the tips of your hair so that it won't be so dry. I'm just gonna twist my hair and put it in a mini bun so that my hair is out the way before I apply the wig. So I personally like to clip the sides as close as my the top of my hair as possible, or as close to the edges as possible, and then I clip the back. Once I clip the top of my hair, it's all secure, I go in the back and clip that last piece. So right here, I'm just basically trying to blend my hair, playing with it, seeing what I need to do. Okay, so now that the wig is installed, you can be done with this step. I'm going to straighten it, so if you want to see me straighten my hair, continue watching. If not, if you're okay with how it looks like this, so be it. But basically, the wig is installed. All I'm going to do now is just straighten my hair. Okay, so now that I'm satisfied with my hair being straightened out, I'm going to apply some edge control. I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to basically just slick my hair back. If you prefer doing like, you know, some cute little designs with the edge control, it's up to you, but I'm just gonna slick my hair back, and that's about it. Okay, and sometimes I do like to use a little edge control for the top of my hair, just a tiny bit. Also, what I do like to use is the Got To Be spray, just a little bit, just to get those flyaways out the way, to lay that hair down and give it a nice finishing look. And that's basically it, guys. I just go in with my brush just to make sure that the product is throughout my hair, just at the top of my hair, basically the roots. You don't want to bring the product all the way down. But that's basically it. I personally like this U-part wig. I've had it for maybe about a year now. I've straightened it, I've curled it, I've done a middle part, a side part. I personally like the wig. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, guys.